In this video, we are going to see how the sorting and filtering function works in Excel. We are going to see some of the examples that we haven't explored yet, and then we are going to see how the advanced filter functions works. So first of all, to follow this assignment, you need to download this file with the resources section of this video so that you can follow along, in which I have two files, AF1 master and AF2 Google search, where I have just inserted a Google search image. So first of all, we already know how we can apply the filters. We can apply it by selecting all the headings and just going to the home tab and applying the filters from here. And then we can filter out whatever we want. If you want a particular lead source only, let's say the LinkedIn outreach, we will just select that and we only get the results for that. We can also apply multiple filters, like for all the LinkedIn outreach for the city of Houston, I want to see the results. And I want to see only which are inquiries or interested, let's say. So interested is only one. And let's say inquiries are two. And after that, let's say we want to contact them. So here is how filters works. And you can apply multiple filters, but we have some other functions as well. Let's say that you are trying to search and look into some of the figures, and let's say for some of the phone numbers you want to contact later on, or maybe they have some problems and you want to correct that later on. You're just randomly checking all the numbers, and wherever you see any problem, you just highlight this for later on. Now, not only text, you can also filter it by color. Whenever we want to correct this and see what's the problem, just open this up and you can filter by color. Just select the color and here we have it. And also, if we have multiple colors, let's say some of them are orange as well. By the way, guys, if you want to repeat the color, you don't have to go every time to home tab and then select the color. You can just repeat the last recorded action. So let's say that we have colored the last cell as orange. Whenever we repeat the function by just pressing function key and F4, it repeats the last recorded action. So whatever is recorded, even if it is recorded to delete the row, it will do this for you. So when we have multiple colors, it is very simple to filter that ones as well. Just select the color that you want to filter, right click here, we'll click on the filter and filter by selected cell's color. And that's how we do it. So these are some of the functions, and also we have the sorting function. Let's say that we want to sort it in a particular order, arranged by name, sort by color. We can do it simply like this. And whenever we want to sort back with the serial number, we can do that as well. So it's always advisable to create the serial numbers column as well, because when you sort it by name or lead source, sometimes you are not able to arrange it back to the original order. So that's why it's recommended to put the serial numbers as well. Now let's learn about the advanced filters. First of all, we will create some additional space in this sheet. Repeat the action, function key and F4. And here we just copy all the headings and put it right here. Make sure the headings are all same. And after that, let's say that I want to apply the filter using the Chicago and New York. And for Chicago, let's say that I want only who are interested. Make sure the spellings are correct. And for New York, I only want the inquiries. So in all of these conditions where you have multiple criteria to choose from, we need advanced filters. So what we'll do is just go to the data tab and click on advanced. And it says filter the list in place. And if you notice, the original data is all selected up till the bottom. So that's perfectly identified. The criteria range is also very simple. Whatever is your criteria, you select all of that, including the headed rows. And now I click on OK, and the list range will be filtered with my criteria. In Chicago, there's no one interested. Now, if I want to clear this filter, how will we do it? Let's go to the data and click on clear. There we have it. Let's confirm that we don't have any interested candidate in Chicago. Interested in Chicago. Okay, so here we notice something. In Chicago, the status is interested, but we did a spelling mistake here. Let's update this and let's apply the filter again. Clear. clear it from here, go to the data, click on advanced filters. Range is already selected. Criteria range is this one right here, the complete criteria. I just removed that earlier, and let's reapply. Click OK. And now we have the results filter out perfectly. So this is the way you do it. Whenever you update any particular field, let's say the lead source, I want to see from this list, I will put the lead source here and then just go to the data, advance, and the range is already selected. Click OK. And now we only see the linked in outreach. And for other one, it's showing for all, because in New York, we haven't specified it yet. So you will notice that in Chicago, only the LinkedIn reach is shown. But let's say for New York, we want the Google Ads campaign. I'll put it here and we can update it. Go to advanced, click OK. And now we have this data filtered. So you have analyzed that it's very simple to put in different criterias while you are looking at the data, and it will give you the results in real time. So just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.